Here's how to make my Apple Watch play music. So this is a topic a lot of people are wondering about because obviously on the Apple Watch you have the music app you can get inside. It's gonna link to your iPhone music and technically you can start playing something right away on the watch. However, you need to choose an output, right? So it is gonna be, I don't know, like your phone, the HomePod if you have it, a Bluetooth speaker, Apple TV, whatever, but you cannot use the speakers of your Apple Watch. It's just not how it's made to work, right? So this is a little bit, limiting, but there are some ways how you can get around it. One good example of how you could technically play music from the speaker is using Shazam, right? So there is this feature on your Apple Watch called Shazam, right? So it looks like this, and essentially it can recognize some music. So when you click on this, it can start listening to music, right? And it is listening, and when you find something, then you can actually then just play the sound, right? So let me just show it to you. So essentially, I played like a wave sound on my iPhone, made it recognized by the Apple Watch, and this means that right now, when I get inside of the Shazam application on my Apple Watch, right, I can just swipe up and start playing this sound, this music, which I was just like listening to before, right? It is part of the history right here. And as you can see, there is a play button, so you can start listening to it right away on the music on the actual Apple Watch using the speaker. So using Shazam is a little nice workaround on how you can start playing some sort of music from the Apple Watch. But as I say, it's not ideal, nor is it perfect. So yeah, this is how you kind of get to use it, right? So that's essentially how it works. So hope you found this video informative. I know it's not very useful to if you want to just play it right through the speakers, but these are the possibilities that we have, right? So hope you found this tutorial helpful, as I said, or informative. Make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe so you never miss videos like these, and I'll see you in the future.